In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get a look Basecamp. To begin, open Basecamp and go to the Home area. Home is the central starting point where you can see your projects and quickly jump into the work you need. Once you are on the home screen, click on Home in the main navigation to make sure you are viewing your main dashboard. Next, find and click on Client. This takes you into the Client section where you can access the projects associated with that client. After that, click on Client again to open the specific client project view. At this point, you should be inside the project where the key tools and sections are arranged for easy access. Now click on the item named as DAS. This is a project area or tool within the client project. Once it opens, click on Highlight. This helps you focus on the important content or a specific part of the page that needs attention. After highlighting, click on DAS again, this time within the message board area, to open or review that specific message board topic or section. From here, return to the main project navigation and click on To-Dos. This is where tasks and action items live, so it is a good place to check what needs to be done and what is already completed. Next, click on Docs and Files. This section is used for storing and sharing documents, uploads, and other important project resources, so it is useful when you need to find the latest file version. Then click on Chat. Chat is for quick conversations that do not need a full message thread. After that, click on Schedule. Schedule is where you can see dates, deadlines, and upcoming events tied to the project timeline. Next, click on Card Table. This view helps you see work in a more visual layout, often like columns you can scan quickly. Then click on Project Activity to review recent updates and changes across the project. This is helpful for staying current without opening every tool individually. Finally, click on Lineup, then click on Pings, then click on Hey, and then click on Activity. These areas help you move between broader planning, direct messages, announcements, and overall updates. To wrap up, click on My Stuff to view your personal overview of assignments, bookmarks, and items relevant to you. That covers everything you need to know.